Guangdong Chuangzi has 30 years of experience in coating line equipment, holds dual ISO or C certifications, and is suitable for factories at home and abroad. Its core high-precision electrostatic coating system enables a coating utilization rate of over 85%, helping a auto parts factory save $210,000 annually in raw material costs. Equipped with a remote predictive maintenance system with real-time equipment status monitoring, it reduces the failure rate by 90% directly. A wheel factory in Thailand increased its production capacity by 15% after using it. Consult now to get an exclusive cost reduction calculation quick